guys, what is up? I'm back again with another video. So in today's video, you guys already know by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a smoky eye on hooded eyes. So as you guys already know that I have hooded eyes and I don't really do like looks like this because I feel like I always need a cut crease because of how my hooded eyes are. Hope you guys like. This is what I did. I created this look using the Be Perfect Carnival-Love-Tahiti-Palette. This palette is amazing, you guys. It just has the most beautiful shades in here. So make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell to get notified every time I post, and give me a like. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then let's just keep on watching. I want to do like this little quick, easy purple smoky eye. I don't usually do this because I have hooded eyes and I just feel like it doesn't really go with me. But I just kind of want to get out of my comfort zone and do some new things, you know, because I know I do like a bunch of cut creases. So we're going to be using the Be Perfect Carnival Palette Love Tahiti by Stacey Marie. She looks like this. Super cute. I think this is my favorite palette, colorful palette. It's just so gorgeous. Look at these shades though. So the first shade that I'm going to be taking is called Blackberry, and it's this deep purple right here. So you don't want to take it too high up because you don't want it to look like you have a black eye, you know? So just, this is as far as you want it, like just a little above your crease. If you hear some noises, it's my neighbor, like always. He's always working on something. So then I'm going to go in with my Morphe 506 brush. I usually use the 507. This is more like a, they're kind of the same, but this is more domed. It's more, it's not like super tapered. Like it's not super tapered. I'm like, what's the word? So yeah, so this is like more softer brush. It's just blending out the purple shade right here that I have going on. Packed over the purple shade all over the lid. You know, don't take it too high up because I feel like it's already going there. I'm going to be taking my 507 brush. See how this one's like more tapered? I don't know if you guys can see this. It's just more tapered. I'm going to be taking the shade Magenta in the palette. It's right underneath the deep purple that we tried out. Starting in the middle and kind of just blending that out as close as you can to the purple at first. Just so you guys can have a nice blend. Let's see. And you're going to want to keep doing it just as low as possible. Taking Pink Lilies, bright pink shade in the palette. This one's a brighter pink. And as you guys can see, it's super bright. It's like a sick pigment, you know? So we're going to go like this, just blending that out in circular motions. You know, just kind of want to like cuff this part right here, and yeah, we're gonna go back in with the purple shade as well, just because we kind of lose it when we do the pink. So it's always, the process is just going back and forth. Don't feel like you're messing up. It's always fixable. Shade right here, it's like a baby pink. So basically what I do, I'm just using this to diffuse the pink so there won't be any harsh lines at this corner, at the corners right here of my eyes. And yeah, okay, so do you see how I diffused the inner corner right here? The corner right there is not so harsh. Like there's not like a straight up like, oh, it's pink, you know, and that like a little line. So you use a lighter shade to diffuse that shade, right? My eyes are super different. This one's more hooded. That's why I don't really like this type of look on me, because I need to fake the crease, you know? So I'm going in with these lashes, and these are so pretty, you guys. These are from Oh Bella Lashes. Okay, so for the inner corner, I have this beautiful shade. It's called Starlight. It's so gorgeous right here. It's this one right here. It's so pretty. Put it in the inner corner just because it just gives it a pop. And with your inner corner, you kind of want to drag it a little up, you know, just a little bit, and it just looks amazing. So we're gonna do the face off camera and I'll be right back. All right, loves, so I am back. So we are done with the look. This is the final look with my whole makeup on. But I hope you guys like it. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell to get notified every time I post, and give me a like. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you again in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.